Hello gorgeous friends, and welcome to another video. I've got a cup of coffee here, not much coffee left, and I'm gonna sip in your honor, lovely friends. I'm Alex, and this is my lovely art corner, where for the last, I think it's now 3 years, I have been sharing my art and my musings on a variety of topics, from sustainable living to slow living to being on your own for Christmas and so on and so forth. You can have a look at the videos that are on this channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you have been here in the past and you are enjoying these videos, thank you so much for being here. And today I am following through with my intention for June to come back to a more regular schedule and to my commitment to being here and being with my art. And I was reflecting on a theme that's been going on in my life and in my art for the last, I would say, couple of years, but also very recently. I think last month and this month, astrologically, this time of, I don't know, the year, and also just the, I guess, loaded energy of this moment and this period of time, they've all had a very, very profound impact on me. And I have been reflecting on how difficult it is for me as a person and as an artist to let go of the past and be present. However, I find that artwork, art journaling, anything that is to do with being creative and creativity, they are amazing tools to be present, to be in the present moment. There is nothing more sustainable for presence, real presence, deep, sustainable presence, than connecting with flow and creativity on a very, very deep level. And unfortunately, if you don't create that space and time for your art, then the opportunity to connect with that depth of feeling and the depth of presence that can only be found in the present moment is basically missed out on. So what has come up with me and for me is the fact that I am often losing myself in planning to create, or in, I guess, nostalgia about those times when I used to create more, or when I used to have the energy, or maybe I was in a better place that was allowing me to create more. And I think this is what my mind was just kind of creating, this story about how the good old days were the days when I was able to make more things, and how in the future there will be some moment when finally everything will come together and will align into a beautiful tapestry where I would just be kind of landing in the middle of this perfect environment where I am just ready to create. And sort of like moving between these two extremes, the good old days versus the promised beautiful moment of creation in the future. In the moment that we call the present, neither of those exist unless we call them in. And instead of calling those two extremes in and moving in between them and constantly reminiscing or projecting and hoping, I invite you to come back to this present moment and to make yourself a hot drink and start making the thing. Whatever the thing is, just do the thing. Write the poem. Pick up that brush. Knit the sweater. Crochet. Anything at all. Build that, I don't know, chair. Whatever it is. Upcycle. Anything at all. Anything that you had on your mind and you were like pushing into a distant future, hoping that one day you'll be able to get back to that project. Whatever that thing is, come back to it. Come back to it now. And I have a little mantra to share with all of you right now. And that mantra is, every now is new. And just saying that, I can feel this energy just bubbling up, the energy of creativity and life bursting into little like tingles all over, just reminding me and reminding myself of the fact that I have a chance to open. I have this key to the present moment. Every single moment is a portal, and this portal takes me back to this idea of every now, every single moment, every single present moment is the opportunity to be fully, unapologetically, joyfully, completely merged with creativity, whatever that means to you. The secret and the, I guess, solution when we're lost in thought, come back to our bodies, breathe deeply into our bellies, feel every single movement within, and allowing for sadness, grief, joy, disappointment, resentment, blame, shame, whatever is there, good, bad, don't label it, to be. And in that moment, remember that you're not a prisoner of those emotions. They just come and go. Kind of, you're like a train station where all of these things get to come, stay for a few moments and then go. The problem is we tend to think, oh, I have to jump on this train, jump on whatever the train is. I just feel so good right now. The sun is shining. It's just gorgeous, beautiful, heartwarming, and I feel like this is confirmation in a weird way. I sound like a tarot reader. This is confirmation that this reading is for you. This video is for you. This moment is for you. This now is new, and it's all for you, for me, for us, right here, right now. And you are not far from the thing that you want to make. You are the thing you are going to make. You are the vessel, the portal, the tunnel that will allow for this thing to be. Something that I often think about is how when you create things, there is nothing one moment and suddenly there is a thing. There is a thing that wasn't there before. And without you, without all the things that you are and you represent, and all the emotions and your past and your being, without the way you are, exactly the way you are, none of these things would be possible, and they would never look like this. This is work in progress. We are a work in progress. I feel strongly that we are made to believe these days that there is a final destination that we all need to arrive at, and the moment we get there, we are whole. And it's funny and silly and so not true. Arriving is constant. We constantly arrive where we need to be so that we can leave that behind and move on to the next place where we need to be. So I think this is it for this video. Thank you for being here. Remember that mantra, every now is new. Bask in the beauty of your creativity and your gorgeous life that is just yours, all yours, right here, right now. And just be with your creative, playful self and enjoy the fruits of your labor, whatever you are allowing through this vessel, through your body in different ways, is here to make things better in so many ways that you don't know, you don't realize. So thank you. I send you much love and magic and sunshine and beauty and creativity, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye for now. Subscribe, share, comment. Love you all. Bye for now.